Question 3. Given that negative 2, 2 is the solution for the following simultaneous equations. So we have one equation here and one more equation here. Find the value of h and k, hence find another solution. Okay, so if it's a solution means when we put x as negative 2 here, our y will be 2. So from here we can figure out what is h lah. So we just substitute. This is x, this is y. So x is negative 2 plus 1 over 2y, which is 2, equals to h over 2. So from here we can find h. Right. Negative 2 plus 1 over 2 times 2, we get negative 1 equals to h over 2. Therefore, h is 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. Done. Next, we try to find k. Why is this line like saying it? K. So k is the same thing. We just have to substitute lah. So this is our equation. 1 over x plus 2 over y equals to k. So you just type in your calculator, negative 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is 1. So we get k is 1 over 2. Done. Right. So now that we have h and k, we can find another solution. Okay, what they mean by another solution is, this is one of the solution. We need to find another solution. So we have to do it simultaneously lah. Right. So what we can do is, I just write here k is 1 over 2 and our h is negative 2. So negative 2 here. Alright, now we just erase this. Okay, so this is our equation 1 and equation 2. X plus half of y equals to negative 2 divided 2 is negative 1. This is our first equation. Then our second equation is 1 over x plus 2 over y equals to 1 over 2. Second equation. Alright, now we have to solve these two simultaneously. So from equation 1, we can easily make x the subject. So 1 over 2y you can bring over the other side lah. So we can say x is negative 1 minus half of y. This will be our equation 1a. Okay, this is a modified version of equation 1. So now we can sub this into equation 2. Okay, we can sub the x into here. So I can say 1 over negative 1 minus half of y plus 2 over y equals to 1 over 2. Alright. So from here, the easiest way to solve this is to bring this over here. So we get 1 over this is 1 over 2 minus 2 over y. So here we have different denominators, so cannot minus. What we do is we make the denominators same. So this one we times y times 2 times 2. So we'll get y minus 4 over 2y. This one is same lah. Okay. So from here we can cross multiply. This times this, this times this. So 2y times 1 is 2y. This whole thing times this, we have to expand. So 2y is negative y plus 4 minus 1 over 2y square plus 2y. Okay. Then we try to rearrange this. So this one we bring it in front, 1 over 2y square. 2y minus y will give us y. So you bring it over this side, you get minus y. Okay, we are moving everything over this side of the equal sign. And then we have 4. Oh, sorry. Here, negative y plus 2y will give us y. Y, we must bring it here. So it will become 2y minus y. Then plus 4, bring here, become minus 4. Okay, so 2y minus y is just y. So this one we can just write y. Done. From here, you want to factorize the whole thing. We can get rid of the denominator. We times 2 lah. So we'll get y square plus 2y minus 8 is 0. Then we can factorize this. A is 1, B is 2, C is negative 8. So we get y is negative 4 and y is 2. So putting in the bracket, we'll get y plus 4, y minus 2. Done. So these are our two values of y. Okay, but here y is 2 is already given. So the solution of y is 2 already given. So this one we no need to find lah. Okay, maybe you don't understand. Okay, never mind. Let's just continue lah. Let's just find it. Then I'll explain to you. So now we want to find x, right? So we need to use this equation. So we copy this. We put it here. Okay. So to find x, I put it here lah. Okay. So to find x, you just sub in the two y values we have. So first we do for negative 4. The other one will be negative 1 minus 1 over 2. The other x value is 2. Okay, so for this, negative 1 minus half of negative 4, we get 1. This one will be 2, negative 2. So from here we can see when x is 1, y is negative 4. So we can write 1, negative 4. And when x is negative 2, y is 2. So the other one is negative 2, 2. Okay, but this, so we actually will get two solutions. But one of the solution is already given in the question. They already said this is the solution. So they want us to find another solution. So another solution would be this one. So we can say another solution is 1, negative 4. This is what they want us to find. That's it. This is the answer.